So this is an amazing Microsoft Excel class. My comprehensive class offers everything you need to understand Microsoft Excel all the way from the absolute very beginning. And so the first part of the class is perfect for beginners. There's about 100 videos which you're going to get that are tailored just for beginners. And then behind that you have the intermediate videos, and then you have the advanced videos behind that. But the most important thing that you need to know is that I have worked with individuals of all ability levels, even people who are completely computer phobic and were like, computers. I've worked with all of those individuals of all ability levels to learn how to use Microsoft Excel, and I've developed and refined a technique that's tried, tested, and proven to help people learn Microsoft Excel as quickly and efficiently as possible and to have a good time while doing it. So this class is perfect for beginners. If you're a beginner and you're just like new to Excel and spreadsheets and it all kind of scares you a little bit, guess what? You're in the right place. So this is a class that's great for beginners. It's going to serve you well. There's a satisfaction money back guarantee. You have nothing to lose and everything to win by taking this class. All you got to do is click that buy button. Click that buy button, jump into the class, and join me so we can start having fun learning about Microsoft Excel. So click that buy button or watch some of the other videos on this page, and when you're ready to buy, click the buy button, and I'll see you in class.